Kecengsi pacit thang atumuphan mate media jil potumpan karbiluchar yes song hinpen kachi song kardam pajul kardam nili na tumuphan na chu pha teng pen tum dak kewan ko ni tum karbiluchar yes song tum ban samaya tumuphan ninga klongpen kachuru pilo sipini jasimet pet labangso media press meet lam pachini ne pran nili pachini gang tungdo nilong do punili ar enat rajentiso langlik West Caribbean Long District Committee along Finance in charge do punili Arvin Adbangke Birsing Kro langli bangke Assistant Secretary West Caribbean Long District Committee Evan Serlong Ki Hanse alangli bangke ada kolonga branch long secretary la sepini na tumphana ke phana ko alang hi bangke lahilo jasimet pet ke damtang irunia pran kurchudut isi mate controversial salam do je bang pharu ke thom chokamar tumhan forest department along chokamar tumhan environment and forest department kolasa department along bang pharu ke thom tumpa latum ke aronre pen se sakuri ken mate job ke claim laso putha posi Caribbean Autonomous Council pen si so cause notice pele ha je alatum nikrip ni kebang bong ba nikrip form bong so na tunyang si clarification chipi pita na ta sakuri kanke itum ke as per ala department na proceeding ateng kana tumhan claim ko ko bisa dakit het ba ki jong hon do lasi nitum ben ki pu dun kang tung gela hido lada so cause notice a letter kepiklang a notice a number gela hido na tumhan ni lepa chini kang tung KAC/ENF/ESST 238/2023/24/9 dated 7/10/2023 ani sia sithi bang kido sokos notice bang asi hala daki pupon bang do je nang tumhan ke illegal lo atheda government norms masi pleng plipin aposi nang tum asakuria bang ke a job bang ke illegal lasila bang ke violation of useda ke tok kondo mane section 7 AFRBM Act 2005 teng pen nang tum ke illegal mane da interview call ke ta ho pa pipi ne dolo lada lason sela tumhan ke pa bon kondo sita nili pu indum karjukan tum bang ke nang tum la illegal pu ki polam the bang ke kupuson si illegal pu na tum pu athi bang ke na tum lang tha alang tum bhan to akam chu toy kam ka chu toy ko na lo NRC hoda sumson stamela tum bhan chu toy lo la puson thak thak si hala election duty long stamela tum bhan chu toy lo BLO long stamela tum chu toy lo ba eviction drive long stamela langkai jan long pinile long stamela tum bhan chu toy so dopik la dake mention elokte ding pigla tala major ni tu isi example ban sian ponchalo se lahaya sai chuto dera phi ko son se la tum phan illegal ku pon po ako isi puthwa ba ka thumi me ba ne latum service book ta chokalo latum NPS ta chokalo mai no bahini mani chok che dulam na ke om tung chokalo service book chokalo NPS chokalo pen hala pilo ho CPF tala tum chokal laha chok era phi ha government pen chok thaya document chok thaya phi non se ko illegal ko ga ko sons tuman ki put ko apen ako dak pin isi bangai tum ka jidon kan tum le ni tum ko tum la illegal ka ni athi laha chok era phi so to illegal hala so ka silam ne tum le ya sakuri ki pita la non het khali hanin kan photro le claim ta tum ta dulo ajat ajir dingo pen claim tum ta dulo hala tum bang ke ko sons non illegal ko ana ningkan de claim da phi so illegal ko tum la sila bang ke nil tu komane favor ki duni polam gali sitame government lo ngala tu ta claim ve pakam juto ve kino illegal pu bangke la bangke chokche dali mak sing tum lasi da gala tum pu bangke na tu illegal kono na mas clarification chipini so cause notice ma reply ni pu ni pu ye kan tum ma na na ni tu ile tum ki namta news lo same ni thik lo tu CM ke hai tu la mo hala li pu bata ta pu lo exam ke tok dun de exam ke tok dun de ki chok tok dun de ni la pen ki tok lu te na tu ki pass lu wa lo award ma ni tu ma ku de the so sentence na mane exam ke na tu la tum ke tok lu te ki pass lu mane kutti phansi ki min na wala wali tu ke ma ku de la so pose arjun exam ke na li tok lu te pass rek ji pu ke la ke pune people pune ke na li la ke an to na masi pass e pune athe a exam ko mane se absent te son se tok te pin ni pass no ke da ke long ta tu mane da tu exam to honte pass ko si age non ka exam ke to dun sita by chance si kumani ko pailang no answer streaming ko det pulute by chance si mani exam ko pailang no malang li bang exam ta to bunne det pulute form fill up det ta la si to la exam bang ke na dum pass ko dak to bunne kusin la so te pulutang te non an kali abc illegal gala pass de ji bang si illegal la lage pote nang lage pun ka patiya sam se तो सोलो पुरखा पति ना लगे ना लिसो सी पास को पुलुतां के लगे लीगल दक्सी लीगल को पुने लो लासो पोटसी ने तुम्ही पुया बांके एग्जाम का पति ये कपरे का किमी फ्रेश पति नो सितला की पितांग तुम भान बांके ना तो पिलो क्लेम नहीं बांके काउंसिल ऑफ इसी लो मीटिंग दो रचे पास देनो लगे की पितांग दे केनो के नंग तुम के लगे पाना दिन क्लेम तांग दे पोतांग दे ना तुम सो इसी चिपे पास तुम फ्रेश ना तुम ने प्रूव पिजे नो हाला बांसिनी तुम के अचुनिंग रिदम कांग तुम आथे बांके पिनिदा का कमा थानी टेक्निकल अलाम दुपी लाहाय तुंबा बांग ताजाले पुने साकुरी लोग लो पुरो निकान थोक थोक निकान के टेक्ने मत दो साकुरी दो तांगो पुते इसी आचे आखा दो पोसी बांके कोमानी बांके होम लोन के एंडो पीटीएल लोन दो कोमाने बा कार लोन कपरे का लोन दो पी के ना तुम दो पी कथु लातु बांग सा साकुरी बाय चांस बजों से नन लोन दे पोदांग के लातु कोना भाई लोन जितुन पोला के थोक फाम मामसी के चिंगना सम लगा छि थोक रसी छि कोहतै नो लासी लाहे तुम फंदा करियर लाम ता माथा नहीं करियर लाम ता दो अपोसी लाहे तुम लामा था कोनी काउंसिल में कांगफोन कोनी लबेन काउंसिल तुम के कार बेंगलोर के द्वारा तुम्हारे कांगफोन नहीं है तुम को नंग तुम यो सिनो इलीगल पोते हाला ना तुम पीके चे मुझे चौक से देलो पोसी नंग ना तुम लीगल को सम हाला बस तुम क्लेम को को सी हाला सो लीगल क्लेम नहीं बांके एग्जाम के तो अपनो ते चौक पास को बांले लागे के पास तांगे लो क्लेम तुम थानो का प्रोसेस में क्लेम को सोते में से तुम साकुरी बांके पाछे रही नहीं उसी तुम एक चुनी बालो la peni tum ta ning thedo Karbino Thomas Council CM tulirano hangki hai islame karbi arat a against CM tulirano hangki hai islame karbi arat a against ke damdi puni tum ta kama thado alang islame radalong si duji sitame yong si arjili da putte ni tum ta democratic arona teng pen che sona ko lailo ni tum pen ke ale tum hangi kum tum apor lang posi pinie bangani tum ma ka chuning ria bangke lagi dutan han pereng nahi tu bangsi Karbino Charlie song pen ni tum ke chuning ria thip
la forest department ke council under la pen council under 30 department do aso 30 department ang bong pen ladak si illegal ke klang ke ka prega department da la son illegal klang punang li ka chini do na teng pro de do ikma
nele kapra department long illegal do pi ni bangani li tha an department long lu tun e posi chini na non ba an ke seta la bangano da bangke illegal buta puthu ni le no pe da di pulo ga ala ni tuma service book ta pithu that nps ta pi that cpf ta pi that ana phi ke ko masi so illegal ku ke ne bi ma ke ne bi thai ba ni ta long thek ta hoyto kapra ka department long dak samen ani illegal do mani hala bangke apporting pe jong si to kori pe na investigation thala ga longi mani ba long le da di mani hala bang le part sita non just semet pe la tuma phan akam chu toy de la phi na la tuma illegal bo bang lage on humanitarian ground ke lage gross violation of human rights lage human rights ta violate bile da la tuma ke akam chu toy pami masila tuma ke aku thengthuro bi ko lage chokchi bolam se ni tuma media friends please accept our revolutionary greetings in a Kirby traditional way, Kardom. I, on behalf of the Kirby Students Association, would like to extend my heartfelt congratulations to all the media persons for turning up our requests. Today, dated 7/11/2023, we, representing the Kirby Students Association, organized this press meet to express a serious concern over the recent show cause notice served against as many as 300 third and fourth grade employees under Environment and Forest Department by the KSA authority. The show cause notice white letter number KAAC/ENF/ESST 238/2023-24/9 dated 7/10/2023 served to those above mentioned employees clearly states that their appointment were illegal as per records under Environment and Forest Department of KSA, as it doesn't fulfill the criteria of appointment norms. So it is termed as illegal appointment or violation of Section 7 of AFRBM Act 2005. This is the notice served by the Caribbean Autonomous Council against those employees that their appointments were totally illegal as per records of the KSA authorities. So now the question is that, to express us concern over it, the question is that had it been illegal appointment, how could they perform their duty for years? Because their appointment was done many years back. So how could they continue to perform their duty for years? That's the questions that arises from us, number one. The next question we would like to ask, how could the government impose them for duty such as eviction drive that was done by the Caribbean Autonomous Council, especially in the Langkaizan area or some other parts where the eviction drive was done, and they were imposed to perform their duty during that period. Again, such duties like COVID-19 duties, they perform excellently well during the COVID-19 and they were imposed by the Caribbean Autonomous Council. These are the duties. And again, they were imposed to do the duties of BLO. They were imposed to do the duty of NRC, etc., etc. So those were the duties imposed on them by the KSA authority. And now the council claims that their appointments were illegal. So these were the questions we put forward to the Caribbean Autonomous Council. How could they become illegal? After sending different duties in the government, and they still say that their appointments were illegal. How could it be? These were the questions. From this angle, we could say it is very crystal clear that their appointment is not illegal, because the government itself hired them for different works. Not only this, there are a lot of things. If there are lots of duties they were imposed, if we highlight it, it will take more time. But those important facts we have highlighted here. But not only that, there are many more to be highlighted. So it's very crystal clear that actually those who were appointed, the 300 employees, were actually legal, so to say, because the government they already hired for different duties. So we would like to say that this is not illegal, but this is illegal. This is a legal one, so to say, as per the duty performed by them. Again, another dismaying fact is that they have loans in different types of loans. They have, most of the employees have PTL loans. If by any chance loses their job, they will have to suffer a lot. The suffering is very certain to them. That's why we, the Caribbean Students Association, would like to appeal the Caribbean Autonomous Council to roll back their decision and withdraw the so-called notice and pass out EC to provide them fresh approval. Give them fresh approval so that instead of making another examinations or conducting more exams, it's a waste of time, it's a waste of money. Because from their duty, we could easily, clearly see that they are legal. So the duty of the Caribbean Autonomous Council is to sit an EC immediately and pass out the resolution in the EC and give them fresh, so to say, the fresh approval to those candidates. So we appeal the KSA Caribbean Autonomous Council led by CM Tulirang, and we anticipate that the team Caribbean led by Dr. Tulirang will not go against the favor of our people. So this is the request that we would like to make to the Caribbean Autonomous Council, and if not, we shall be bound to take a strong democratic movement against the Caribbean Autonomous Council authority. That's all. Any questions you can put forward. Thank you.